am Ramsha and I've got you another poem called One Little Kitten. This poem is written by Caroline Graham. Now let's recite it together and discover what is this poem all about. One little kitten, two big cats, three baby butterflies, four big rats, five fat fishes, six sad seals, seven silly seagulls, eight crazy eels, nine nervous lizards, 10 brave bees, 11 smelly elephants, 12 fat fleas, 13 alligators, 14 whales, 15 monkeys with 15 tails. Oh, so this poem was all about different animals and some words that describes them. For example, there was little, one little kitten and two big cats. There were three baby butterflies and four big rats. And there were five fat fishes and six sad seals. There were seven silly seagulls and eight crazy eels. There were nine nervous lizards and 10 brave bees, 11 smelly elephants, 12 fat fleas, 13 alligators and 14 whales, and 15 monkeys with 15 tails. So did you enjoy this poem? Do share with us and tell us what do you do when you're happy, sad, nervous and confused.